Hey guys, today we are working on our Durango Hellcat shop car. We did so much on our Challenger, we figured why not do some stuff for our Durango. A couple cool things we got here. We got an Eibach lowering spring kit for the Durango. The stance on this thing is just way too high from the factory. So we're going to lower the front and rear of this just to give it a better stance. And it'll really sit nice once we get our wheels on. In addition to that, we've got the AWE touring exhaust with the black tips here. We'll get all this out, get it installed for you, let you hear it, but this thing's going to sound amazing. Hey guys, Beefcake here. We just got the new AWE exhaust and the Eibach lowering kit on the Durango Hellcat. Mrs. Beef sitting inside. She's gonna rev this thing up and let us hear it. So this thing sounds amazing and the stance is amazing. Now the only thing we need to do is pick out what wheels we want. But this AWE exhaust looks amazing with these tips and it sounds even better. I'm a big fan of the factory exhaust on some of these Hellcats, but this AWE, it really takes it to the next level. Listen to that idle too. Right now we're cruising around. It's about 74 mile an hour. As you can see, there's zero drone in this thing. If you give it a little light throttle inside, hear a little bit, just nice deep tone. Nothing crazy, but it sounds really good. It's got a deep old school muscle sound, just sounds really nice. And again, when you're just driving, there's literally no drone in this thing. Sounds really good. And when you go wide open throttle, sounds great. If you're looking for a Catback for your Durango Hellcat, your Trackhawk, any of those, I mean, even the Mustangs and F-150s, we really love the sound of the AWE, so I wouldn't hesitate to recommend this at all to anybody. All right, guys, we're going to get a little wide open throttle from the stop with the exhaust now. AWE sounds pretty good. That is with one window slightly open in the vehicle. The nice thing about this, we just got done driving it about an hour. Zero drone on the highway. This AWE exhaust sounds amazing on this Hellcat. We'll get some video out on the highway, but as you can see now, light throttle, about 45 mile an hour. Really quiet inside the cab, which is nice. When you get on just a little bit, you get just a little bit of throat, but it's a nice deep muscle tone. Very, very happy with the sound on this thing.